I just wanted to share with you something brand new that came out yesterday. It's going to be a game changer when it comes to food storage, prep, and food storage for especially if you are a beginner with food storage. So, one of the things that I get asked the most from people who are just starting with their food storage, they don't know where to start. They're like, how do I start? Like it seems daunting, right? It seems overwhelming to look at some of these major preppers, and they've got this whole big room full of food and supplies and everything, and that's overwhelming, and you're thinking budget wise there's no way I can afford that, and I don't have the room, and there's all these questions. And the main thing people ask me is, where do I even start? I don't even know where to start. I'm nowhere near this prepper's room, and I just don't even know where to begin. So, one of the things that I always tell people, the very first thing for anybody that's a beginner, is start with your 10 meals. It's the 10 meal program. And you make a list of 10 meals that your family will eat and does eat. Make sure it's things you do already eat. Make your list of your 10 meals. And then you have your ingredients list from those 10 meals that you times by 4, and that gives you a 1 month supply. Okay, so that is like very, very basic starting your food storage. The reason I say 10 meals is because, first of all, it's always better to have too much than not enough, right? Obviously, timesing 10 by 4, you're going to have 40 meals, and there's 28 to 31 days in a month. So you're going to have extra. But secondly, you don't want to get down, if you only did 7 meals, well, maybe on Saturday or Sunday, you hit that 7th day, you're down to 1 or 2 options. It may not sound good. So if you have 10 meals, you at least have a few more options. But the main reason is it's just always better to have too much than not enough. You never know, if you have to live off your food storage, you might be feeding other families or family members, things like that. And so, or you may be cutting down your meals, so you're eating more in one meal because you're not eating as many meals in a day, or there's all sorts of factors that may come into play. So, this just came out from Thrive Life. As many of you know, I'm a Thrive Life consultant. Thrive Life is freeze dried foods. Now, I've used their products for over 10 years, and I love it. And I will tell you, freeze dried foods in general are the best to have in your food storage because they have up to a 25-year shelf life. They have higher nutritional value and better flavor than any other food you're going to have in your food storage, right? And in some cases, not just Thrive Life, but freeze dried foods can have higher nutritional value than even fresh foods, unless you grow them in your own garden. And the reason is, most foods that go through the grocery stores, you have to they pick them before they're ripe, right? And so they pick them, and they have all this time transporting to the grocery store, and the foods ripen in the during transit, basically. So you don't have all those nutrients. When you get something fresh out of your garden, or from freeze dried, like a company like Thrive, they let it ripen on the vine. It doesn't get picked until it's ready. And it's for you at home with your garden, you let it ripen, right? You're not going to pick a tomato, let it sit on your kitchen counter for 2 weeks before you eat it. You're going to pick it when you're ready to eat it. A lot of times you might go out and pick it right before you make a sandwich. So it's had all that time to absorb the nutrients. So, and Thrive Life is the same way. They do that, they flash freeze it, then they freeze dry it. So you've got all those nutrients, that extra time it had on the vine. So that's why I am a big proponent of freeze dried foods for your food storage. The shelf life, the nutritional value, and the flavor. So they came out yesterday with this new thing called Power Packs, and it is seriously going to be a game changer. So for all of you who are just learning about food storage or just building your food storage, this is awesome. I'm so excited because this is perfect for you people. So let me share my screen. I'm going to show you what just came out. This is called Power Packs. brand new. I'm so excited. Okay, so here's the options. You have a 1 month supply power pack or a 3 month supply power pack. Now this is for one person, either one. This is seriously such an awesome way to build your food store. If you are just starting, this is awesome. I'm just super excited. Um, Basically, each of these packs, it tells you right here what you get in the packet, your fruits and vegetables, all protein, all that. And these are the cans. This is showing you what comes in each kit. Now, the 1 month supply, these are pantry size cans. Pantry size cans are approximately 4 cups worth of volume. Whereas these are your number 10 or family size cans. Some people call them number 10 cans, some people call them gallon cans. They're approximately 11 and a half cups of volume inside these. So that's the size difference. So this is what comes in each kit. So this is awesome. And the reason this is so awesome, I mean, look at the variety that you're going to get with fruits, vegetables, proteins. I mean, it's awesome. You get, this is a well-balanced food storage. You're going to have all the ingredients to really have a good start on your food storage. I'm just so excited. This is like really simplifies it for someone who is a beginner and doesn't know where to start. This is a great place to start because literally you get a little bit of everything. You get a variety. You can try and see what things you like. And you can always order more and get, you know, more of specific foods that you like and things that way. But this is going to give you a good base, a good variety. So this is the cost of them. So for your 1 month, for a 1 month pack, if you just order it once, it's $588.29. But if you do a delivery service, so Thrive has a monthly delivery service, you automatically save 15% when you get that month. And the monthly delivery service is awesome for those budgeting. You're trying to, I want to allocate $100 a month on food storage items. You can do the monthly delivery. It's great. Now, I always tell people, even if, and this is the little secret here, even if you don't want the auto shipment, the monthly auto shipment, sign up for it, place your order. Even if you cancel the next day, you still get that 15% off. So you may as well get the discount, right? Now, they do give you the option here. Oh, sorry, this is the sale. So this is because it just came out yesterday. If you purchase either of these kits before the end of this month, you get 10% off. So that's an extra 10% off from the 15% off in the delivery service. So that, I mean, right there, that 25% off, that's awesome. They also give you the option down here a little lower that if you're like, okay, $450, I just can't swing that by the end of the month, that's fine. You also have the option to split it into 4 shipments. So basically they'll split up this up here of what you get. They'll split it up into 4 shipments and charge you 4 payments. And again, so it would be 4 payments of $125, but if you order before the end of March, your first payment is going to be the 10% off. So awesome deal. And then you got your 3 months, all the prices and everything over here. I am just so excited. I think these are going to be awesome. So helpful. So here's something that I'm going to do for anyone who is interested in ordering these. Let me go back because I stopped sharing my screen. There we are. Anybody who is interested in getting one of these packs, one of the things you might be like, okay, yeah, that's fine. I get all the ingredients, but what do I do with them? And that was kind of one of my first thoughts. I will send you a resource and reference kit that I've put together that has a bunch of recipes in it. It's got a bunch from Thrive Life. They used to have these packs that they'll be coming back available in the next couple of months. But they're meal packs, and those will be awesome when they come back. I really love them. For those kits, you get everything to make like 7 or 8 meals. and those all had recipes, the 7 or 8 different meals, it had a recipe card for each of those. So I have all those recipe cards for that. So I will send you, plus I have other recipes and things. Anybody who wants to purchase one of these power packs, send me an email, comment on my group or something, and I'll email you the resource and reference set that has it has so much information. It's awesome, but mostly it has some awesome recipes in it. So you'll have all these ingredients, you can print them off, and then now you have the recipes of what to make in your food storage with them. So that's what I wanted to share with you today. Like I said, I'm super excited. I feel like this is such a game changer and such an awesome thing for those who are just starting their food storage. If you're overwhelmed, you don't know what to do or where to start, it's all done for you here. It's basically, here's your month's supply, here's what you need, and it's done for you. It doesn't get much easier than that.